Post Reddit videos on TikTok and earn money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can earn money on TikTok by posting Reddit videos. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on Reddit, right? And if I come over here, you will see I have a bunch of different videos. Let me just show you how you can earn money if you just simply post Reddit videos on TikTok. So if I come over here and I just search for, let's say, Reddit, all right, just simply search for Reddit, and here all the top accounts are going to become available over here. So if I click on Reddit's story over here, you will see it has 10 million likes over here and a bunch of different videos, and all these videos have thousands of views. All right, same goes with this one over here, Reddit for real, or Reddit FR, 7 million likes, and over here and even more views. So this one has 4.3 million, this one's had 2 million, 1 million. So over here, as you can see, a lot of different videos have a lot of views. And how are these videos? Let me just show you what these videos basically are. So if I just play this video right here, okay, so this is in a different language. Let me just find another account that's gonna be similar. Okay, so over here, this video right here, right? So parents of Reddit, what are your kids currently attempting to hide from you? So if you play this video, it's loading up a little bit. I don't know why my internet is slow. All right, here we go. So as you can see over here, it's pretty simple, right? Really simple, just a simple voiceover, all right, playing with the comment in front of it, and in the background a video game is playing. Like really simple, really easy. So how do we make this video? So let me just show you. So for example, if I scroll back over here, you can find it's called r/askreddit, right? There is a subreddit on Reddit called Ask Reddit. So if I search for Ask Reddit over here, this is the subreddit, and if I come over here, we will have a bunch of different people asking very interesting questions that you want to hear. So over here, are you still wearing a mask? Why or why not? So if I click over here, you will see a bunch of people have given their answers, and over here, these are some of the best ones. I'm in a place with a lot of kids that have cancer. Also, I am a kid with cancer at St. Jude's. They enforce mask, and I think that's the best possible choice over here. So over here, you can go ahead and choose that. Over here, we will see we have a bunch of different options over here. So over here, I'm going through chemo. My immune system is a roller coaster. So a lot of people are just, talking about it. So same thing over here. You can go with another. So over here, let's say this one right here. Serious men of Reddit, experience matters too. What's your story of women being creep? So over here, a lot of different questions are going to be over here. So over here, as you can see, I just started at a new company. This was inside my first week. I was sitting in my cubicle, snagging from a bag of mixed nuts, when a lady probably in her 40s walked by, then stopped. She said, can I have some of your nuts? I really like nuts. So over here, as you can see, we have this option over here. So how do we create this? Well, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna show you around real quick. So if I click over here, if I come over here onto this website called canva.com, and I also open up YouTube in another tab, and I also open up this website called play.ht. Over here you can find free AI voice generated. Over here we can find voices that are AI generated. So over here, as you can see, this is a voice right here. So if I click on this button right here, it's a basically text-to-speech type of website. So let me just go ahead and sign up with Google. So over here, as you can see, we have our voice style over here. We have our voice over here. All of our voice actors over here. Right now, we're using Jenny. We have the premium ones over here, and then we have the standard ones. So if I click over here to view, so that was Arya, Benjamin, Charles. Let's check out Charles. What about James? So okay, so what about Arya over here? So as you can see, it's much more nice. So let's go back over here and start to create our voiceover. All right, so over here, if I just simply go back to Reddit, right, and if I just simply if I just simply copy this text over here and I paste it and I simply play it over here. So over here, as you can see, pretty simple voice, right? We can go ahead and download this one over here, but downloading the paragraph, of course, it's required a freemium feature. So let me just show you another website where you can download it for free. I mean, of course, you can go ahead and use the standard one if you want, but if you don't like those voices, you can go ahead and find other websites. Let me just show you. Such as this one right here called ttsmp.com, smp3.com. So over here, we just simply copy and paste the word and we just click on read. It's going to generate. So as you can see, that was a pretty decent and really nice looking voiceover. So we're just simply going to go ahead and download that. Right, we're gonna put it in audio over here. There we go, that's one down. Next, what we can do is we'll just come over here and we'll just copy this text over here, go back over here and we'll just paste that and we'll just click on read. So over here, you can also add a bunch of different features as well. So pretty simple. So I added this break time over here. And if I wanted to add like an emphasis over here, I could just copy the emphasis, add the emphasis over here. And if I play this now, I think I have experienced. Okay, so you can also add, emphasis as well. So over here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different ones. Over here, you can go ahead and add some of these features to make it sound more realistic. So if you want to take a listen to it over here, let's just simply click on read. There's another website called freetts.com. You can also use this one as well. So let me take a look at over here. Let me listen to this one. Okay, that does not sound as good as the previous one. Maybe if I convert it into Matthews and click on convert to MP3, maybe now it'll be much better. Yeah, as you can see, it's much better. So if I just simply click on download this, audio, I'll just simply download it. Boom, here we go. Now what we can do is we can go over to YouTube. We can find, let's say, Minecraft plays. I just simply search for that. And if I click on filters and over here, click on Creative Commons, we can find all these different videos that we can use over here. So if I click on this video right here, I can go ahead and download this video. It's like small video over here, maybe like this one as well. Then if I just simply click on this video and download it, I'll just simply download this video. And once it's downloaded, I will show you the next step. And once you have downloaded both of your audio and video, we can come over here onto Canva to edit them. You can edit those videos over here, or you can go ahead and edit those videos on Premiere Pro. We're going to be using Premiere Pro, so let's just jump into the video. So now I'm just simply going to open it up and I'm going to edit the video and I'm going to show you how it looks like. But before we do that, we also need some screenshots of the conversations over here. So let me just open up my snipping tool. All right, where did it go? Now I just, take a snippet over here and I just, copy this one over here, right about here. And I just simply screenshot that. Now I'm going to save as over here inside my video, inside my music folder over here, and I'm going to call it question. Has it been saved? Yep. Then I'll just take a screenshot of this comment as well. Take a screenshot right about over here. Boom, there we go. Now we just simply click on save as, and we'll just answer it as an ANS, as an answer over here, and save. Boom, there we go. Now we're going to open up our Premiere Pro and we're going to click on new project and we're going to call it demo. And over here, we're going to click on open. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to load, and once it's loaded up, we'll add our media inside of it. We have our audio, we have our questions and answers. Add that into our media folder over here, and same goes for the video as well. Then I'm just simply gonna drag the video in here, and now we just simply go ahead and unlink these two right here, unlink the audio from this, go into the sequence over here, and we change it 1080 by 1920. Sorry about that, I think I messed it up there. Here we go. Now we just select this, go to effects and control, select this and increase the size, putting it all the way up to the edge. Now we put our question over here, which is going to be this one. This is going to be our first question, right? Let's hear it. All right, that looks good. Now we just put our question over here in front of it. There you go. That looks nice. Increase the size of the question a little bit. Here we go. Then we just put this audio over here and put the answer over here on the top. Zoom in a little. Let me just remove this and actually put this one over here because that's the answer, right? Now we just increase the size of this one as well over here. Boom, there we go. Now we just put it over here at the end, delete the excess part, and boom, here we go. We have our Reddit video complete. Then we just simply export it, and then just simply, once it's exported, we upload it onto TikTok, and boom, that's how you do it. So pretty simple, guys, really easy. So that's how you do it. That's how you create videos from Reddit and post it on TikTok and earn money. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.